Welcome back to day 8 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me. So let's do a little recap. I have a few things hung on the wall here. You can see I redecorated a little bit with some of the items. I also made the embroidery kit. I know Jenny said that you got 8 items in this, or you got 8 pieces to make. You only got 4, which I think just was a mistake on her part. I have them here. They took me about an hour to make. They were really easy. I've never really done the satin stitch before. The fabric that you embroidered on was really nice. Probably this little guy was the hardest to make for me, but I learned a lot and it was a lot of fun. However, these little frames I feel are very cheap. They stain the fabric, so if you didn't get things quite centered, you struggled because once they were in there, they stain, like the wood stained them. I also have absolutely no use for a duck necklace, but I wanted to make him, and his eye is really weird. It's just a French knot, but I don't know, I think he looks angry, which kind of makes me laugh. If I had a grandchild or something like that, maybe. The little sewing machine didn't fit. You can see the blue line around it. It's not the right size for this, so I don't love that quality. Overall, not my favorite gift. Probably the best part for me was the material that you work on, because if I ever do embroidery, I'd love to use that material, and if anybody knows what material that is, let me know. And also that I got an embroidery hoop that I can make some embroidery hoop art that I like to do. So those two things are nice, and it was a great experience. Again, every gift is not going to be perfect for me, and I know that going in. If you're the type of person that you do have to have every gift is going to be right spot on for you, this might not be the item or the experience that you choose to have. So we're all different, and I love this kind of stuff. So for this embroidery kit, I'm putting a value on it of about $13. This kit did include absolutely everything you needed to make these 4 projects, so that's good, but the quality wasn't necessarily there, especially with the frame. So I had to really balance that out. So with a value of $13 for yesterday's item, that brings us up to $86. Since I paid $180 for the box minus the $86, that brings us to $94. All right, so let's move on to day 8. So remember, it was jingly. I'm thinking a coffee mug with maybe some goodies inside. That's where I'm at. Let's see. Let's open it up. Okay. All right, it's not a coffee mug. At least I don't think so. Oh. It's a jar. It has buttons, I think. Let me see. I'm going to take this plastic. Yeah, it's like a mason jar type thing. Full of buttons. Okay. All right. And then, oh, you're supposed to make a little pin cushion at it. Okay, I'm on the fence with this. I want to look at the buttons. Let me see. So, a lot of plasticky, cheapy buttons. Well, that one's not bad. That's kind of neat. There's some just generic type of buttons in here. Nothing super special. Okay, at least it's sewing related. I'll definitely make this up. And I like that it gives you the instructions. Tells you what you need to do for it. That's really nice too. So not my worst gift, not something that I'm totally disappointed with. You know, I think that there are people out there that will love this. It's cute. It's cute. It's not a snow globe, a duck snow globe, so I'm good with it. All right, moving on to Quiltness. So tonight is my night. Tonight's my night for my debut, my video on what I did with the ugly fabric exchange that we did. I cannot wait for my debut. I loved this experience. I can't wait to show you what I made. I also can't wait to chat with you tonight. I'll be on my premiere at 6 o'clock chatting in the chat box. That's what's cool about premieres, that you can chat along. And I will be there when you watch my video too. So if you have any questions during the video, you can always ask me live on the chat. Okay, so let's look at tomorrow's item and try to guess it. Here it is, day 9. What is this? Okay. Okay, it's squishy. Feels like there's something long and skinny over here. Maybe like a pencil? Or maybe a tool of some sort. You can bend it. Almost feels like fabric. I don't know what day 9 is, but I can't wait to find out. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.